Sid, you described Reyes as a hungry fighter. Ball, a chance here. Down it goes.
Yeah, boy.
Another one.
Well, he can't lay off power. That's not the problem here. The clip, sometimes if you want to do it soft, it's not firm enough. Be a firm contact. So the Brown is sitting over the pockets, so does the pocket.
God damn.
Will be
Another one.
So he's looking for position very near the rail to take the Brown along the rail. This will be a racket-winning shot if he can negotiate it successfully.
Well, total misset. The way he played that, Sid, it almost looked like he was try and get back into that area.
Kasalanan mo yan eh.
Another one.
Needs one more. Japanese Toshikawa.
He's wearing a silk.
I don't like where this is going.
Cue, the maple cue. Very humid conditions here, and it's grabbing his shirt as he cues. He's fluked it. An apology, that was not intended.
Well, I think he was looking at the direct putt past the 6.
Nine, that would be far too risky. If it flicks the 9.
Ang galing mo, kailangan dire-diretso mo yan.
Yeah. How old
And who could have possibly legislated for that? He took it on the exact line he wanted to take it.
Magandang umaga mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Sports Hub Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, ito pag-usapan natin isang exciting match between Efren Reyes versus dito sa isang Japanese na napakagaling sa pool, itong si Akikumo Toshikawa ng Japan. Ginanap itong laban na ito noong 1999. Ito yung World 9-Ball Championship. Nasa quarterfinals na itong si Reyes at si Akikumo Toshikawa. Ang kanilang laban ay 9-ball. Race to 11 naman yung match nila. At winners break, no, yung kanilang breaking format. At dito nga mukhang aiming si Toshikawa, no, sa 2-9 combination. At dito nga nagawang ipasok ni Toshikawa itong 9-ball. Kaya 1-0 ang score natin dyan mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. At dito nga mapapansin ninyo si Efren Reyes ay nasa 45 years old na siya nung panahon makalaban nitong si Toshikawa. At nasa 35 years old naman si Toshikawa, no. Talagang pareho silang nasa prime nung kanilang paglalaro. At dito nga mag-advance tayo ng dalawang rack. At ang score natin dyan ay 2-1. At dito nga nanalo ng dalawang beses sa rack si Efren Reyes. Kaya siya yung magbe-break dito sa rack number 4. So panoorin natin mga kabilyard kung maka-break and run si Reyes dito at maka-score ulit. Panoorin natin.
No cement boots from him, but he could certainly bury a few here. It's 2-1 up.
Well, he finally got the break sorted out. You knew that Reyes was going to make the adjustments here. A little bit more force. Again, a much better result. Ball's pretty well situated too. He's got the red 3 top left, and you can see the pink 4 waiting for him over the right center pocket. Just want to leave a nice angle to come down for the 5 here. This looks like a tailor-made break, Sid.
Yeah, and his opponent sitting like a man with a front seat in one of those ritualized plays they have in Japan. that can take a long time. He could spend a lot of time in that seat. Could Toshikawa. Handling the cue like D'Artagnan and the lads did. The Colts, the precision instrument in the hands of a maestro like this.
Yes, Reyes, revered back in his homeland.
At dito nga mukhang maganda yung pagkaka-break dyan ni Reyes, no? At may chance siya na maka-break and run siya dito sa rack number 4. Last 2 balls si Reyes dito sa rack number 4. Maganda ang layout nitong dalawang bola na ito. Konting backspin lang ito, puposition ka agad dito sa ball number 9. Kaya mukhang abante ng 2 puntos si Reyes, no? Dito sa match nila ni Toshikawa ng Japan. At ito nga aiming si Reyes sa 9. Pasok yung 9, 3-1 ang score natin dyan mga kabilyard.
Bad miss in the third rack, and Reyes now 2 clear, 3-1 up.
At dito nga si Toshikawa, no, nasa 33 years old na siya at marami na rin itong napalanunan na mga international pool championship. Talaga napakahusay nitong kalaban ni Efren Reyes. Pero ganun pa man, mag-advance pa rin tayo ng rack dito sa laban nila. At dito nga 4-2 na ang score natin, no. Naka 1 puntos si Reyes at naka 1 puntos din si Toshikawa. Pero dahil medyo masama yung break na yan, na-scratch yung bola, kaya back to table itong si Toshikawa at meron siyang chance ngayon na makahabol dito kay Efren Reyes. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Certainly Bustamante comes to mind, and Johnny Archer and American John Cuchero, but that cue ball snaking its way into the top corner pocket, and that's bad luck for Reyes.
Well, he's come out looking a bit like an Oriental Dr. Kildare, but so far his scalpel has not been as sharp as I think it's going to require to handle Reyes.
I think Reyes is going to pay for that one. Lady Luck not coming to his aid off the break, and Toshikawa.
And interesting, where people have asked me when going to play this, you can play it in all the snooker clubs I know in the north of England, particularly popular now in Middlesbrough and in Newcastle and in Leeds. And in fact, there are several specialist pubs, stroke centres have opened up in Leeds. It's I don't think they'll ever take it on pubs because there's no way of actually metering it to put coins in to bring the balls back.
Yes, a lot of the pub tables smaller though. This 4.5 by 9 foot surface, standardized for American 9 ball.
At dito nga mukhang nakuha na rin ni Toshikawa yung momentum niya, no, dito sa rack number 7. At aiming siya ngayon dito sa ball number 7. Last 3 balls si Toshikawa at makikita ninyo talagang mahusay din itong pool master na ito ng Japan, no, at talagang very precise yung kanyang tira. Last 2 balls si Toshikawa dito sa rack number 7. Mukhang aabante rin ng 1 puntos dito sa rack 7 itong si Toshikawa. Kaya tingnan natin, panoorin natin mga kabilyard. At napakaganda nitong match na ito dahil balikatan yung laban nila dito ni Efren Bata Reyes. Pasok yung 8, maganda na rin yung posisyon dito sa 9. At last ball siya dito sa rack number 7. Mukhang pupuntos nga dito si Toshikawa dahil sabi nga ng marami, alam na this, konting push lang yan. Pasok na yan sa mga ganyang klaseng player, no, napakahusay din sa pocketing. 4-3 ang score natin mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. At dito mukhang a-advance tayo ng panibagong rack. At dito nga ang score na natin ay 5-4. mag-adjust tayo ng kaunti para mapabilis yung sa ating laban dito. Nanalo kanina si Reyes kaya siya yung nag-break dito sa rack number 10 at ang score natin dyan ay 5-4. Kaya tingnan natin kung maka-break and run ulit si Reyes dito sa rack number 10. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
He cranked it up and started hitting the break with more productivity. Not a problem ball. And very little distance to move the white. For any shot, apart from this one where he'll work the angles.
Well, I'm quite amazed at what I just saw. Efren broke and then played the first shot with the cue he broke with and then changed in the middle of the rack. Obviously feeling quite comfortable enough to pop balls with his break cue as he did against Suke.
Or maybe, because he did that yesterday, he's worried about his...
He's just changed cues again. I can't believe it. He's alternating cues throughout this rack.
At dito nga tulad ng inaasahan natin talagang kapag nagkaroon ng magandang posisyon itong si Reyes sa table at maganda rin yung layout ng table, talagang inuubos niya yung bola, no? Dito last 3 balls si Reyes at ayun pumasok na yung isang bola, kaya last 2 balls si Reyes dito sa rack number 10. Mukhang aabante ng isa pang punto si Reyes dito. At makita natin, no, yung tira at posisyon ni Reyes sa cue ball, talagang napakahusay din sa kanyang cue ball control. Last ball si Reyes dito sa rack number 10 at mukhang alam na this, sabi nga, no? Pasok yung 9, 6-4 ang score natin dyan mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Kaya tingnan natin kung makaabante ulit tayo ng isa pang rack. 6-5 na ang score natin dito at si Toshikawa at nanalo doon sa rack kanina. Kaya siya yung nag-break dito sa rack number 12 at ang score natin dyan ay 6-5. Maganda yung break ni Toshikawa dyan, may pumasok na bola. Kaya tingnan natin kung maka-break and run siya dyan at tumabla dito kay Reyes. No? Mahusay talaga at maganda yung laban nila dito dahil balikatan ang laban. Napakaganda nung break din ni Toshikawa dito. Kaya tingnan natin kung maka-break and run si Toshikawa.
Looks like he just has to spin this slightly, Sid. Not quite as straightforward as it first appeared. The two, same end of the table. Just slightly spin this. He wants to just come out and play the two into the center.
That judder. Almost a foul shot. It seemed to be half a stroke.
Good thing there's no stroke penalty for whiffs. Well, he's pulled that cue ball right out from all that danger. He looks like he's wiping the sweat from his brow as well, Sid. This is a tough one.
That's it. Well, the old saying, where there's no will, there's a whiff. The half shot really shows the tension here when guys at this level are in the air.
Back in prime position now. Good positional shot from the one, really forged the opening. Little under hit. Now we saw him miss a shot very similar to this in the earlier stages in this one, Sid. Down to the same pocket. He's got a little bit more room with the white. I'd be very surprised if he did miss it, but again, sometimes these negative thoughts can creep in.
Well, he can't lay off the power, that's not the problem here. The clip, sometimes if you want to do it soft, you don't actually make the contact firm enough. It's going to be a firm contact, but the next ball, the brown, is sitting over the pocket, so just the back and forth shot. Full level at 6-6.
At dito nga tulad ng inaasahan, no, mahusay din sa running out itong si Toshikawa kapag nakakuha siya ng magandang ball position. At dito makikita natin last 2 balls si Toshikawa ng Japan, aiming siya sa 8, no, at mukhang tatabla siya dito sa score nila na 6-5. At ito nga advantage si Toshikawa sa tira, kaya makikita ninyo yung determination ni Toshikawa, no, na talagang talunin din itong si Reyes. Pero ganoon pa man, talagang balikatan ang laban nila. At ito, aiming na si Toshikawa sa ball number 9. Pasok ang 9, tabla na ang score natin dyan. Si Toshikawa pa rin ang magbe-break sa rack number 13. Kaya tingnan natin kung maka-break and run siya ulit dito. Ang score natin ngayon, 7-6. Nanalo si Toshikawa kanina. At dito, nalamangan na ng 1 punto si Reyes, no? At mapansin ninyo, maganda pa rin yung break ni Toshikawa dito sa rack number 14. At tingnan natin kung makaulit niya yung break and run na yan. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Some of the other Asian players that really hurl themselves into the break shot. Got a couple off the break, but again, this is a little tougher. And if for no other reason, the positioning of the balls, where they've finished, this won't be easy or straightforward.
Blue 2 top right. Played with follow. Across the table onto the red.
The problem area is from the green 6 to the brown 7. He's already looking at it. He knows where he's got to try and get that cue ball to. If he could get into the 8 here, he's just got a little more angle than he would have liked. He might have attacked it earlier, but he just didn't have the angle, Sid. The orange 5, and he's got to get the angle on that green 6 to be able to get right behind that brown 7. That's the one on the left-hand cushion. Well, he's got angle and then some. This is going to be a great shot if he can pull it off. He's going to have to try and slide this in and spin that cue ball with side. He's going to play the 6 into the bottom corner pocket. We'll try and get that done a little better. How's that? Now he's going to have to try and spin that cue ball over into this area here. And boy, this will be some shot. If he could cannon the 8, that would be great. But this really will be a shot.
At dito nga, aiming si Toshikawa sa ball number 6. Medyo alanganin yung posisyon nitong 6, no? At saka nung cue ball. Kaya tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ito ni Toshikawa. Mukhang pipinahin niya dito sa corner pocket, no, sa ibaba. At tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan yan. Medyo mahina yung tira na yan ni Toshikawa, no? At dito nga hindi na-shoot at nag-cliff hanging lang dito sa corner pocket sa ibaba. Very disappointed dito si Toshikawa. Advantage naman ito kay Reyes, no? At mayroon siyang chance na ma-steal niya itong rack number 14. Kaya tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes itong 14 at tumabla siya dito sa score. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Godfather could step in, the magician.
Well, this is a tall order, even for someone like Efren Reyes. All the table knowledge that he possesses is going to be called into the fray right now. When a ball's right over the dip like that 6 is, position is so difficult to judge. Just how it's going to come out of that angle. And again, the position of that brown 7. That's the ball that's going to hold the key to victory in this rack. The first shout went to Toshikawa, the second to Reyes, but I still think there's a little bit to be written in this chapter.
It's maybe an idea to play the cushion first, to flick it in so you do have two angles, play either side of the cushion to go high up beyond where his cue is at now.
Well, Reyes is having a look at it from all around. He's basically circled the wagons here. He doesn't know how to attack.
Well, shows the tension. A world, for later stage world final, when the magician is slightly stumped.
Well, now it's going to be a straight bank into the top right pocket. He's made his bed.
If he'd played that shot harder, he could have got in position for the rail shot.
Too much of a gamble. Here we go. Top right.
Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Barbarian Postamendi can show the likes of Ronaldo how to kick. Oh, yes.
The master in his office right there. Efren Reyes. Looks like pulling back.
At dito nga tulad ng inaasahan, mukhang mararan out ni Reyes itong rack number 14 at tatabla siya dito sa score. Pasok ang 9, tabla ng score natin dito mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard, no? Mukhang maganda yung pinapakita ng dalawang player nito, balikatan ang laban nila. Pero ganun pa man, mag-advance pa rin tayo ng 2-3 rack. At dito nakita ninyo talagang balikatan ang laban. Pero nakadalawang panalo si Toshikawa, no? Kaya ang score natin ngayon ay 8-9, lamang ng isang puntos itong si Toshikawa. Kaya siya ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 18. Tingnan natin kung makauna si Toshikawa, no, dito sa top of the hill dahil lamang na siya ng isang puntos. At dito humahabol naman si Reyes. Kaya tingnan natin, nasa break advantage si Toshikawa. At mapansin natin dito mukha talagang hindi magpapatalo itong Japanese pool master. At dito mukhang masama yung pagkaka-break na yan ni Toshikawa, no? Tumalbo yung bola at advantage naman kay Efren Reyes dahil ball in hand advantage yan. Alam naman natin sa mga ball in hand advantage, si Efren Reyes ay nakakakuha siya ng mahusay na percentage sa cleaning up, no? At very disappointed naman dito si Toshikawa dahil nga tumalbo yung bola sa table. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes itong rack number 18 at tumabla dito sa score. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
So can Efren Reyes, the man they call the magician, step in here and run this rack and 2 more?
Well, he's got a nice angle on the 2. He wants to stay low on the 3, Sid. It's absolutely vital for him because he's going to feather the white on top of the pink 4 to play the 4-9 combination bottom left. And that couldn't be better.
So ideally what he wants to do is to come over to within about 6 inches of the near rail.
The 4-9 plant or combination shot for 9-9.
Then his break must come good soon. Who knows?
And down it goes! The magician pulls another escape act. They're playing for about 5,000 pounds here, $7,500 US.
At dito nga napagtagumpayan ni Reyes na combination ng 4-9 na yun, kaya tablang score natin dito. Si Reyes pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 19 at mukhang maganda ang break na yan ni Reyes. May pumasok na bola. Unfortunately, hindi maganda yung position ng cue ball para doon sa object ball na ball number 1, no? Kaya tingnan natin yung discard ni Reyes dito kung ano ang gagawin niya sa ganyang klaseng posisyon ng cue ball. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Safety, Jim.
Safety or push out, Sid. And look at the spacing of the remaining colors on the table. How big is a mistake here? No problem to push here. He can push into an area and not leave anything on. But
how about the make tying up a ball type of push out?
He's going to kick this off the top cushion, Sid.
Look, bottom right. Oh. Was it an aggressive kick or defensive?
Very aggressive kick. Have a look at the result.
At dito nga mahusay yung pagkaka-play safe ni Reyes sa ball number 1, no, na itago niya dito sa likuran ng dalawang bola. Talagang hindi matatawaran yung mga ganitong klaseng diskarte ni Reyes, lalo na sa mga matitigas na kalaban, no. At dito mukhang walang possible shot itong si Toshikawa, pero tingnan natin sa kanyang kick shot kung magawa niya ito ng paraan. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Absolute push in the hole.
Once again, has to judge this, Sid. Got to hit this and hopefully get it safe.
Looking to send the yellow one beyond the wall. Is it gone beyond the wall or will it stick over the top back?
He's left it. He's left it.
Medyo kinulang ng lakas doon yung ball number 1 kung mag-play safe sana, pero na-open yan kay Efren Reyes, kaya may chance na si Reyes ngayon na ma-run out itong rack number 19. At subaybayan natin mga kabilyard.
Well, he's the least likely bloke in the world to make a mistake here, but that shows it. They're looking to get in the last 4 of the World Championships, which climax tomorrow, and 60,000 American dollars, 40,000 quid at stake. This is probably the most experienced player in the world from big money. Played his first money match when he was 9 years old, he told me.
If you took a poll with all the players in this event, all 96 of them, to choose one player that you wanted to get you over the finish line, Reyes would probably be very high on the balloting. And all that experience and talent, will it be justified?
Better back. Just stuns up. Now to do, and very little spin needed in any of these shots. Should be there with 10-9 to the hill. Angles making themselves, yeah.
Little short of ideal position. These players don't like.
At dito nga tulad ng inaasahan, no, nasa last 3 ball na si Reyes sa rack number 19. Mukha talagang may chance si Reyes na makauna sa top of the hill. At dito last 2 ball si Reyes, mahusay yung kanyang ginawang play safe kanina, kaya naka-advantage siya, no. Napakatalinong player talaga nito si Efren Reyes. At dito nga maganda na yung ball position niya sa 9. Tutok na yan, mukhang mauuna nga sa top of the hill itong si Reyes. Race to 11 lang ito mga kabilyard, at nandito na si Reyes sa top of the hill. 10-9 ang score natin, na kay Reyes pa rin ang breaking advantage. Kaya tingnan natin kung maka-break and run siya dito sa final rack. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
The time has arrived for Reyes.
One of the most crucial breaks of his career.
The 9, so close, the 9. But he's not on the 1. And he's wincing with every shot he plays off the break. But that 9, desperately close to ending it right there. A little more power too, Sid, more
First
body
time
movement.
his back foot has been more than 6 inches off the floor. He gave that the kitchen sinker.
At dito nga medyo very disappointed dyan si Reyes, no. May pumasok na bola, yung ball number 2, pero mukhang alanganin yung posisyon nitong ball number 1 dahil nakasalikuran nitong cluster ball, no? Pero tingnan natin yung diskarte ni Efren Reyes dito kung magpe-play safe siya, magpo-push or i-kick shot niya itong ball number 1. Panoorin natin diskarte ni Reyes.
He's not leaving anything. He wants to get that 3 just on the cushion to make the combination to the 9 a little trickier. But there is a shot for Toshikawa here. Very difficult if he takes it on. If he does play, he can just try and feather the cue ball to the side cushion in behind the 6. Very, very tricky shot though. Obviously he can put Reyes back in again if he doesn't fancy it. But if he does try and defend here, that's what he's going to do.
(10-9) in favor of Efren Reyes. Needs one more. Japanese Toshikawa.
At dito nga talagang iti-take ni Toshikawa yung push ni Reyes at mukhang gagawa siya dito ng 1-6 combination, no? Mukhang mahirap yung position ng cue ball kaya alanganin siya dito sa kanyang tira na ito. Pero ganun pa man, ipupush niya ito para sa kanyang chance. Tingnan natin kung magawan paraan ito ni Toshikawa.
He's fluked it. The hand in apology, that was not intended.
At dito nga mukhang hindi expected ni Toshikawa yung tira na yun. Ang alam niya is combination pero naipasok niya pa rin, no? Naipush niya yung ball number 1 sa corner pocket. Kaya maswerte pa rin dito si Toshikawa at meron siyang advantage dahil may position siya dito sa ball number 3 at medyo mahirap lang ang kanyang tira na ito pero tingnan natin kung magawa niya ng paraan ito at makaposisyon siya doon sa ball number 4. Medyo mahirap yung position ng 4 dahil naka-cluster at mukhang gagawin niya, pipinahin niya ito at i-break yung cluster ball. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
I think he's forced to take the cue ball into the pink. He's forced to just try and develop the pink 4. He's had a look to try and draw it in behind the 9. That would be far too risky. If it flicks the 9, the cue ball is going to go in off.
Yeah. So the power will decide it. He would ideally like to disturb the pink in the direction of the top right.
Oh, that's so cruel.
Ayun lang, mukhang minalas dito si Toshikawa. Na-break niya yung ball number 4, no? Pero unfortunately, na ano naman siya, na-scratch siya doon. Ang maganda na sana yung tira na yun, na ipasok niya yung 3 at na-break niya yung 4. Pero na-scratch siya, oh, dito binigay ng 4 sa corner pocket. Kaya very disappointed siya dyan. At dito, bolinahan advantage si Reyes. At mukhang alam na this, sabi nga ni Toshikawa. Kaya siya yumuko at very disappointed na yan. So tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes itong last rack.
A $7,500 break. Reyes looking at the orange 5. Nothing difficult here, just the pressure of the moment.
Well, Jim said earlier, if Efren does get there, which it looks like now, I bet he goes to bed tonight with practice in his break off. It has been pretty wimpish.
Dodgy at best, Sid. He's just fortunate that Toshikawa couldn't find the correct speed and place to be breaking from and master it.
That was desperately lucky because that was the line he had to take to flick the pink towards the pocket as it was. The over pace of shots just scratched. So here we go. The magician will have to play much better than he's played here to progress.
At dito nga tulad ng inaasahan, last ball na si Reyes, no? At tutok na yung 9 dito sa corner pocket. Mukhang alam na this at papasok na sa semi-final itong si Efren Bata Reyes. Pasok ang 9. Congratulations. See you on my next video.
Over Kojak.